Okay guys, I will be removing all of my spring, summer plants. My tulips are in, and I'm going to be removing my Supertunia vistas over here, the lemon coral sedum, and the petunias. I'll be removing all of that. And I don't know if I'm going to touch the elephant ears just yet, but I plan on going ahead and putting in my tulips. So let me show you what I got. Hi all, this is RB the Garden Nanny. I am in my garage. I just received my package last week sometime of my bulbs
from Van Engelen.
Okay, opening up the box. So I have tulips, Slawa, 300 of them. They come in 3 boxes. There's 100 in each box. And I'll put a picture of what Slawa looks like. But I have 3 of these. Now this is my first time ever ordering from
Van Engelen.
And I'm looking forward to seeing what it's going to look like. I'm going to also be using my DeWalt 20 Max drill with my auger. So let's get started. So this bed is empty. This bed is empty, and I also took down the elephant here in this bed, so I'm going to break that up into sections. But so far, everything is clear on this part.